Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Glamour Curves. Mya Montoya is a prominent plus-size curvy model known for her advocacy in body positivity and representation in the fashion industry. Mya Montoya, known on Instagram as @MyaMontoya, is a prominent internet personality, gamer, TikTok star, and YouTuber. She has gained significant recognition through her online presence, especially with her twin sister, Mya Montoya. Together, they are famously known as the Montoya twins and have built a massive following across multiple platforms. As of 2024, Mya boasts an impressive 217K followers on Instagram, where she shares a mix of personal, lifestyle, and gaming-related content. In addition to Instagram, Mya is active on Twitch @MontoyaTwins, TikTok @Mya5, and YouTube @MontoyaTwins, expanding her influence within the digital space. Height 5 feet 3 inches, 160 centimeters. Weight 109 pounds, 49 kilograms. Age 24 years, as of 2024. Body type average. Body measurements 33-25-35 inches. Hair color brown. Eye color brown. Mya Montoya, along with her sister Mya, has collaborated with several well-known brands, particularly in the lifestyle and gaming industries. Their appeal as twins has drawn attention from numerous companies, leading to partnerships that align with their audience's interests. Some notable collaborations include fashion and beauty brands. Mya has promoted various clothing and beauty products, showcasing her personal style and engaging her followers with fashion tips. As of the latest updates, Mya Montoya has kept her personal and relationship life relatively private. There are no confirmed reports about her current boyfriend or romantic status. Mya tends to focus on her content creation career, whether through gaming, TikTok, or YouTube, which has undoubtedly contributed to her growing online presence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on amazing models. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.